At SafetyQuip, we supply workplace safety equipment to industry. One of our product categories is fall protection equipment and confined space entry equipment. This equipment is required under the Australian standard to be inspected formally on a regular basis by an equipment inspector. At SafetyQuip, we look after that. The frequency of inspection varies by item. Some items need to be inspected more frequently than others. For the things here on the table, the harnesses, the ropes, the lanyards, these are 6 months frequency in most industries. Now the inspection can either be done at our workplace, you can bring the equipment into our branch, or these mobile safety shop vans can come to your site with one of our staff to do the inspection at your premises. That can be handy if you don't want to be without the equipment while the inspection's being done. During the inspection, we tag the product with a tag like this that has a next inspection date on there. We produce a report that we email to you. You keep in a soft copy format so that you can provide evidence that the inspection has been done, and we contact you when the inspection is due next time around. If your fall protection equipment needs to be inspected, contact your local SafetyQuip branch to book it in. We'd love to see you.